Hello and welcome to the D4 Guns YouTube channel. This is a channel where we take a closer look at some of the cool guns that come into our inventory, and will be going up for sale on our website at d4guns.com or on penny auction on Gunbroker. Now, today we're taking a look at a pistol variant of a Thompson made by Auto Ordnance. This is an M27 with no stock and a shortened barrel. It will come with a 10-round magazine, a 30-round magazine, and a 50-round drum magazine. It also comes with the violin case and the original magazine. If you like our content, be sure to like and subscribe, and check out our firearms on our website, as everything that we add to the channel is available or will be available on our website for a short amount of time. So go ahead and take a look, and go ahead and like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this for guns that are coming into our inventory. We'll see you next time.